guys, it's Catana here. So I'm at Shoes of Hollywood, and today we've got the DELIGHT-613 here. So let's just unbox it. And it comes with your own bag to store in as well. So these are 6 inches. And as you can see, it has a very strappy look. These would be great for formals or for dinners or any special event or even for races. So yeah, alright, and it also has a very suede sole, has a very grippy bottom. These ones are a size 6, I'm a size 6 in open toe. Let's give them a try. So they are a very strappy design, and I think they're very elegant to go out in. Let's try and have a little walk. If you're not comfortable in 7 inches or 8 inches, 6 inches is very good to start off in. So these are super comfortable to walk in as well. And the straps also help with that. So I feel very secure in these heels. And here I'll show you a bit of a side angle. Again, quite a really classy look. If you want to go out in the evening, go out for dinner. Give you a little close-up again. So these are the 6 inches, and they also come in red and white, so you can definitely mix it up a little bit if you'd like. And there we have it. Bye! I'll see you next time.